Gordon got this letter from a limited liability company called Sable Trail asking to survey her property.
I mean, it would just destroy the whole way of life here in Levy County.
A year ago, Sable Trail planned to run a natural gas pipeline through Beth Gordon's 32-acre land.
I never gave them permission, and yet I came home one day. They had come into my locked gate. I don't know how they did it, because I think they climbed over the fence, and there were surveyor stakes all over my property.
According to Sable Trail's website, the underground line would start in Alabama and stretch almost 500 miles down through north-central Florida, ending just south of Orlando. About half of that length is in Florida, but Gordon's concern isn't the length, it's the location.
First they wanted to put it on our property. Now they've moved it onto the farm next door.
The 3-foot pipe would go underground about 1,500 feet away from Gordon's home, too close for her comfort.
And because the pipeline isn't physically right on our property, they will not entertain paying us for it.
Gordon and her neighbors drew up a petition to the State Public Service Commission saying how the pipeline would affect them. It was later dismissed.
FP&L argues that the petitioners are not FP&L customers and therefore do not have any interest.
According to Sable Trail's website, the U.S. Department of Transportation has certain rules and regulations for projects like the pipeline. They say the new pipeline will, quote, operate in strict accordance with all federal and state safety requirements. On their website, Sable Trail says they're going to start the delivery of gas through the pipeline in May 2017. Reporting in Levy County, Jesse Pagan, TV 20 News.
The project is in its developmental stages. When done, the pipeline should be able to transport more than 1 billion cubic feet of gas per day.
Coming up.